Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we will be taking a look at some of the top 5 best lowest spread Forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Let's get started. Firstly, spreads are the way that no commission brokers make their money. Instead of charging a fee for making a trade, the cost is simply built into the buy and sell price of the currency pair you would like to trade. Finding a broker who offers great services with reasonable charges is an important factor for building a successful Forex portfolio. So, in this list, we will be going through some of the top 5 best lowest spread Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with up to 50 tradable market instruments and commodity options, lower leverage, access to their mobile application, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, their own economic calendar, technical and fundamental analysis panels, as well as a few eBooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies for you to browse through as you please. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have Plus 500. Plus 500 is a globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options and ETFs. Featured platform for accounts is available on Plus 500's trading platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Plus 500 features a demo account and one live trading account, which was specifically designed to provide a variety of services to suit the needs of various levels of trading for beginners and professionals alike. Plus 500 also provides their very own educational panel, which delves into various beginner trading topics, an economic calendar, a variety of risk management tools, as well as a trader's guide, which includes helpful videos that you can browse through whenever you please. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have Alpari. Alpari is a globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts with up to 4 tradable base currency options, lower spreads, Islamic swap-free options, and more. Alpari also provides their very own beginner's guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. Coming in at number 2 on our list, we have XM. XM is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Micro, Standard, XM Ultra Low, and Shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, a variety of tradable base currency options, lower spreads, and more. XM also offers their very own educational center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live streaming service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best lowest spread Forex brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, crypto, and Islamic accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's Web Trader, and for all your mobile trading activities, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards, such as the Best Forex Broker, the Best Trading Experience, the Best Bitcoin and CFD Broker, the Best Affiliate Program, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online, fully regulated financial broker. And those are some of the top 5 best lowest spread Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.